Hi and welcome, I am here today with Xiaomi Poco X3 Pro and I'll be showing you how to customize your volume panel. First you have to go to the Google Play Store and from there look for volume styles. Install the first application that shows up. Wait for a while, wait for it to scan for viruses, then open application. Tap on that blue start button in the top right corner. Give the accessibility service permissions for the applications. Go to downloaded apps, volume styles, and choose use volume styles. Tap on allow, and then finally tap on yes, I agree. Now, if we try to change our volume panel theme, for example to wave, as you can see, now our volume panel appearance has changed. We can go to style settings at the bottom to change the length of the slider, thickness, speed of the animations. Now let's give it a try, and as you can see, the volume panel is way larger than before, and the animation is faster and well, it's longer, of course. We can also go to customize, choose the vertical position of the slider, choose the panel timeout, and yeah, there are many other things you can do with your volume panel. But that's everything for this video. Thank you so much for watching. Please leave a like on this video and subscribe to our YouTube channel. Goodbye.